Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel here, welcome back to another video. Today's gonna kind of be a POV style drive. I need to go get some my weekly run of E85. If you haven't seen any of the videos that I do or what I have here, if this is your first time watching, please, first and foremost, please make sure that you hit subscribe, drop a like and a comment. We always say that because obviously it helps us out. And then two, I have a 2022 Mustang GT 10R80. It's currently tuned by Palm Beach Dyno on E85. There is E85 gas stations closer to the place that I'm going to now, but the quality of the E isn't quite as good. So I drive about a half hour each way because it tests around E88, sometimes E89. So it always tests really good. So it's worth the drive out there. So gonna kind of have a POV style drive on the way out there. Probably get stuck in some traffic and try not to get pulled over. All right, so another thing that I wanted to touch on today is next month, probably about 3 weeks-ish, 3.5 weeks, is Texas 2K. So Texas 2K is no longer in the Houston area. It is up here in my area. It is at a Texas Motorplex in Ennis, which is about an hour away from me. So it's much more convenient for myself to drive down there. I'm going to talk a little bit about that also as well, because I was planning on partaking in like some road racing events for Texas 2K24. I want to touch on a little bit of that, and obviously for this year, I'm not quite set up the way I want to be set up to make that happen. For Texas 2K24, 25 would be a different story. Stay green, stay green, stay green. Yeah. Nice. Nice. And we're stuck behind a school bus. Alright, so if you've been following my channel for a while, I said, I can't remember how long ago, but I will put either a card up here or I put a link to the video in the description. I did a video as soon as we found out that Texas 2K was going to be up here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I was anticipating being a part of that and either competing in some kind of roll race event. Obviously, I'm not super high horsepower, but there's a bunch of separate classes that you could compete in. I just wasn't going to just do it for fun and the experience. I'm not going to have my nitrous and tires and everything in time for Texas 2K because that is only right around a month away. But I'm still going to attend. So I mentioned nitrous when I was talking about Texas 2K and my original plans. Get the window up real quick. So if anybody is planning on putting nitrous on their car or get some nitrous accessories, extra bottles, whatever, I have a partnership with Nitrous Express, so if anybody is looking to pick up a full kit, parts, pieces, accessories, whatever, I will drop a link in the description, and if you use promo code Trigger Society, you can save yourself some cash at checkout. So if you are thinking about it, click on the link and use the promo code Trigger Society, and you can save yourself some cash. All right, secondly, I'm not sure if anybody has ever attended Fuelfest. Fuelfest takes place every year, at least every year that I've been here, over at Texas Motor Speedway. I do a lot of events over there, but it's the same place that they have the LMR cruise in. Fuelfest is put on by Cody Walker. His program Reach Out Worldwide, which was originally put together and started by his brother Paul Walker. I went to that last year and the year before, and they just seem to get bigger and better every year. If nobody's ever attended a Fuelfest, I will put also a link to that, or put that in the description also as well. Fuelfest is one hell of an event. It's an all-day event. They have drifting. You can go on the road course, I believe. I can't remember, but I do know they at least have drifting. You can do a ride-along in drift cars, go around the NASCAR track, and it's not just Mustangs and Fords, it's everything. And it's just massive, and it's a cool experience. I met Cody Walker, I met Tyrese, Vin Diesel was there last year. That event this year is taking place on April 20th, Texas Motor Speedway. I just got my ticket for that also as well, so that is coming up in April. Always a fun event. Drop a comment, let me know if anybody that is watching this, if you're also planning on attending that, and if you've attended it before and your experiences. Mine is it's just a fun event. There's just so much going on. There's so many cars, different kinds of builds, and you get to meet a lot of cool people. And yeah, I'm excited because I'm going to be at that event again this year in April. Dude, I just drove by a dead skunk and it was like in 2 pieces. And I don't know how long it was dead for, but that skunk smell, oh my God. I don't want to roll the windows all the way up because then I'll have the smell in here. And then I roll the windows down, oh my God. You guys smelled skunk before. It is, fuck man, I can taste it. It's not going away. Hey, for anyone watching this that is in the same Dallas-Fort Worth area and you have your Mustang on E85, I'm curious, where do you go to get your E? I go to the Kroger out here in North Richland Hills. It seems to be the best quality. Always test above E85. So I know a lot of people go to this one, but is there any others that you guys go to that are also usually test the higher, like a high grade E85? Drop a comment and let me know because I'd be curious. $249. That was the price of the E. It's probably, well, actually no, it's $259, and then I got 10 cents off. But that was probably some of the most expensive E85 I've gotten here. I remember when I first started getting E85 a few months back, it was like low twos, and even with like a discount, it was like $1.96 a gallon for E85, and it was awesome. But yeah, so now it's like $259 for E85, which is still really good compared to like 93 and everything else. That's like mid to high threes for 93, but in context, that was as high as I paid for 85 around here. It's much more convenient to switch back tunes to 93, but why would you want to do that? I mean, it's like once you've experienced a really good high quality steak, why would you accept anything less if it's within driving range for you to go and it's in your price range? And in this case, it's cheaper and it's better gas. And yeah, if I went on like a road trip, I'd have to switch back to 93, which is fine, but like, I don't have a need to or want to. It just runs better. It's better for the car. And when I boost the car, I already have the E85 tune. I just obviously get an updated tune for whichever, you know, nitrous, supercharger. I already have the E85. Why would you want to switch back? The only bad thing about running E85 year-round, and I mentioned this before in the past, is if your car sits for an extended period of time with a tank of E85. How long that is, I don't know. I would imagine at least maybe 3 weeks, a month. I know if you have the car sit for a while, it's not good with the E85 with the high ethanol content. But if you don't have the car sit and you drive the car every day or often, you can run E85 year-round as long as you got good quality E85, and it's not an issue. It's February in Texas. and it's 70 in February. Oh, another dead skunk. Oh, that's awful, man. It still stinks. Can't roll the windows up. It still stinks. The C8 Corvette. What do you guys think about those? I don't mind them. To be honest, I prefer the C7s, in my opinion. Yep, and he's turning. All right, everyone. I'm about to get stuck in some traffic, so I'm gonna wrap this one up. If you guys are watching and you're not subscribed, please do me a favor, hit subscribe, drop a like and a comment. Those things always help us out, and we greatly appreciate it. You guys have a good one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. Bye.